Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix camera distortion in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After clean your camera lens, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera and here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and then here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your home screen and open your camera and then on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, then scroll down in last and then click on restore defaults. Again click on restore. After restore defaults, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.